Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft and melt-in-mouth sweet Milk Suji bread mishti. Simple ingredients, quick steps, and a taste that feels festive. Let's get started. Take 3 to 4 bread slices and cut the edges. Bread is a modern shortcut for traditional mishti, saving time but keeping taste. In a pan, take 2 cups of milk. Many Bengali sweets are milk-based, making them rich and creamy. Use full cream milk for richer flavor. Cook in low heat. Add the bread pieces in the milk. A quarter cup of Suji or Semolina, 2 tablespoon milk powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix well and cook until the mixture leaves the pan. Ghee in small amounts helps with energy and flavor. Suji or Semolina is one of the oldest grains used in Indian sweets. This dessert can be stored for a couple of days in the fridge, making it perfect for festival. Always cook the mixture until it leaves the pan, otherwise the balls may break. Cool it down for 5 minutes. Knead for 2 minutes. Suji is light and easy to digest. Milk adds calcium for strong bones. Then grease your hand with oil and shape into balls. Grease your hands lightly for smooth crack-free shapes. Now prepare sugar syrup. Take half cup sugar and 1 cup water. Let it boil, then add the bread balls. This sweet is less oily than fried dessert. Don't overcook in sugar syrup or the mishti will become hard. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Keep aside. Then coat the sweet balls with milk powder. Soft, milky and simply delicious, the Milk Suji Mishti is perfect for any sweet craving. Try it at home and surprise your family. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies. Which Bengali sweets is your all-time favorite? Rasgulla, chomchom or Mishti Doi? Tell us in the comments below. See you in the next recipe.